Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I'm in Dallas right now. In Dallas, we don't receive enough snow during the winter. So they are projecting that we get about 8 inches of snow overnight. So tonight, we are supposed to get a lot of snow. So will Dallas be transformed into Winter Wonderland? So let us wait and see. So this is what it looks like right now before the snow event. So let's see what this looks like tomorrow. What do you guys think? Snow, look at the snow, guys. It's turning into a winter wonderland. And so let the transformation begin. Woo-hoo! And look at that. We're almost fully covered in snow. Look at that. What a big difference 24 hours makes. And look at the kids over there. They are building a little snowman.